the police na say obi obi nya sama ya chill Friday no adem na Monday say basa some of them are abuse
yenchire ni bibi kakra
but they are fine police officers in the system.
Oh yes,
but who's a bad nut no my ya na aside police service ni din enye suban papa when you have the Ghana for the sewatare so your police officer sabe unim nyansan san Ghana ni na wache no
yeah
you to me be the privilege be near the amount, so therefore you must hold that from the amount in a greater responsibility than any other average Ghanaian.
Yeah.
What's that here? And someone need the about police service and your police needs a car by a corner, by your be a corner say, or then a ba because I may call me police.
Yeah.
I got rating and they be a rating or more rating, but from 9 years, maybe say you.
Yeah.
And you might be say so the police service must take strong exception to some of the bad nata a warm system them. Police need be not okra no boni. No ska. Ube who MTT do officer be atale white no. As a cream. I think
yeah.
Sadian kitin and gender a certain likeness about the police service.
Yeah.
And therefore, the police professional standard normal pips, they must look at some of these matters.
Very necessary.
To reform the police service. Now, and yes, but not too brave, Mama, maybe what can say be at Master which I too brave, Mama, Nakopa. Ubu near Kogunia, Pau Sunkra, near Bad Nebenya. Man can't show not time and I'm a camera stay. Yeah, police bishop A bishop Juana, and I'm saying a shaman. Sasa my you see young canoe and papa it is stereotyping stereotype oje rasta keto be akroma unwi and you suba papa we need a fine police officer na say na come and pontia na zando ko you share police officers we asokra mampo near tell Lexus we mu ya ni twem ba kwa wo share ma some of them no be ka say oh kwan fine ebi no kase some of them are properly dignified men omo respect to omo baby so mu he
yeah
no mabobo montare ho ne ade atiti to mutiri ho enya papa
yeah
they need to ensure proper standard abrante na dibonia take him through the process but say what they want san ka suspect
serious
enya papa
I read article 15 they know all these things
na wo nimra say omu nim omu shada no omu ye ne omu ye
katakata ye ni
kata ye ni na make obinya sema no ashada be chill Friday me chen bibi kakra enya suman papa. The rule of law must be what should guide us.
Jeff, screen for me.
Because enya banana republicos enya ka so bia beti soso yanko de a akwa enya hode so na mane de brantan ya hye ho ntimi nko so na so atwaw but we cannot govern or we cannot live in a country with that mindset.
Yeah,
that is why the police service must be impartial. Say the police for cross samoba on what because yenye fie nya no
yeah
be eno kan kra na kokwa sometimes we say asamusi a abrochocha crime document think so
yeah
me hu ka we akokwa ba 5 pm mu bato mu kwakokwa ho ba Ghana akoka police in kwabet akotuki
oh yeah whistleblowers
yes
act no say why you say oh me ba be
akotuki we so it's asamusi
it don't say be brain ni mam robbers be brain ni microphone but they don't what
na akokwa robbers na robbers o muti wurem sebe enyonom na tinko mo suro so sadly we need a professional police service to engender confidence in the service itself.
Yeah.
Not the respect among uniform. No, I mean not the BS serve our police. And then maybe how hardly never so many of this answer we hardly. Men can't sense some ye beer, but hardly. When you look at the propensity, when they compare police, the police you know was through. So also I can make an answer. Yeah. And yeah, papa. Obi Debonia, may I'll be the last person I make us to be a Debonia, say be a diplomatic. There be taking to the now brother Mama class that you can't be a young prosecutor. Aha, Nana Ibrahim Hama. And I usually say to take me to some maybe I'm a corner track of offense, be an answer to be chimney, or I'm a convoy. You would do me no, maybe tea. Man, not track the or the mid convoy while about tap him church, and no mammy sign bond to be Namico. You take me to the mammy. Yeah. Me no obi a emrane de obi a no obi a wo mranem
e do and they do
but enfa won sank kanipa no
yeah
enfa won sank can when you do that you don't bring good report on the Ghana police service enya papa and nipa bi nipa nketo bi ewom and also brings about the recruitment who police for ni bi am character omo di gira kwan kra no communicate a time
sure enye
time unya inspectors from license me from license you know the law you cannot take my license na ne bu ofu
they say crowd they say new law na urban
asama nya bu fo kra na ne bu ofu
unjimi me bi sa license
kwa utimi twem ba bi compremi no pen compensa eba na o say busa o say ne aso wo hu fufuro they can't even pick intelligence then tin wo koba sa then na wo ye kwan so they don't know they can't read your number plate ebinya papa
na am robbers yo mko nyina wo mfa bebre mfa checkpoints na
ebinya papa and we need to check all these things and ensure say beyond sikana mo bejeje mo de mo nye mini problem obi ade na adwuma mo de me bono so de 1155 so ko wen so de de na me janto anya de mo bejeje mo nyi bi ba akokwa nyeje mo de bi se na bi akokwati na me kan se akokwati ebi wo ho akokwa
o de che wo de ya
na me kan
na se me che biska especially police forman
who say be a start e be yen say yen she ni say na say man point and na me ko be na ma to kiba bia me yibi ma no jewe bibi o
na ko praje me mot na me
o ba ku the plantations na na we me hwie kakra gu ni nsam say me nua no kwa kokwa he o seti o ebu ha koto no barrier ne pa o gina ne condition e wo barrier wo kokwa sa won am be sko piom so be nyame
mostly a man no crowd here I always I mean
but ebi so over abuse no on aso person o hot say o sa chinchina so ma ni bibi dabi manipa ne mfa ne pemu he ni obeto ye no no mfa ma o se me bi me ne janto ko ba bi ni ko ba bi ye je banku ne tilapia ma officer
mo ye ni ye a ho bi dura
no ne small game no to no to sha ya se djuma na ma peke
o se je ko
ni nyina ha ti ni aka djuma ba akokwa enti obi mu ni su my papa
it's true
especially ebia wunim nipa what I say obeye na akokiriti problem mama and see dey bia me kasa isi adwuma na wo ye no oh some especially when you are serving the public interest akokwa sabi unim nyansa nsen the ordinary Ghanaian na will brutalizing no some any opportunity be na wanya enti na mo no yesterday you are an officer or unso bu police and wabo mahama so police they don't say kana mahama yes mahama to me and waponi bia man so mo certain pedestal sabi munni ni party bia mu me ne munya pekra me me civilian ba akokwa overall uniform no gu on so ne yi wadi a me ne wo pe what I say it's a privilege now one don't abuse the privilege. Don't use the privilege to marginalize people. And your papa.
It's true.
Now someone.
Sure.
Now get rid of her elements. Only good police service.
It's true bad. It's true bad. Eugene Osei-Tutu, the fact checker. Eugene Medasipi. Ebuja, there's this other issue on Galamsey Ekoso. Na bra Facebook behade. We some of the illegal mining activities are Ekoso. Na ohwe memma kentin kane ade ageze Galamsey ne de mi se na ohwe matwo mani ade omukurekura tuo ya behade o Facebook